Welcome back to Can CAD channel. Today we are diving the important command for anyone who works with detailed drawings, especially when you're dealing with a dashed or patterned line in AutoCAD. We are talking about LTSC command. Let's get into it. In AutoCAD, the LTSC command controlled how line types are scaled through your drawings. It's crucial for keeping your drawings clean and professional. So how does it work? Let's break it down. The LTS command allows you to adjust the key variable LTSCALE. This is your global line type scale, and it sets the scale of the line for the entire drawings. Think of it as the overall zoom level for your dashed or patterned lines. Now let's apply this to rectangle example. Click one line or the rectangle to highlight it. Now let's change the line type. Go to Home tab, click on Property, Bylayer, Other, Linetype Manager, lead a new line type like dash space, and select it. Click on the line again, change the line type to dash space under Bylayer in the property window. You can now see that line dashed but look too close together. Let's fix it with LTSC command. Type LTSC and set a new value like 10. Watch the dashed line spacing adjust. Now you can see dashed line spacing adjust based on the scale value we set. This adjustment applied to all dashed line in your drawings. We can check. We selected another two lines. It is. This makes sure your line are properly spaced for your specific drawing or print setup. That's all for today. We covered how to control the appearance of dash or patterned line using LTSC command in AutoCAD. Adjusting your line type scale can help you maintain clean and professional drawings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Until next time, keep creating.